Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello everyone, this is Ashima from Entry App, your faculty for current affairs and banking awareness. This video is for all the students who are looking forward to what to do or who have faced a lot of situational condition as of now or are going through a lot of mental stress as of now. For all of them this video has been made, which is for I guess every aspirant as of now, because currently for every examination there is a question mark on all of them, that when are we going to see all of those examinations being conducted, when will those examinations be conducted, when will the dates come, how long do we have to prepare for all of them, or all of these questions are coming up in our minds, right? So for all of that, this video is there addressing to all your issues that we are facing a lot of questions from students regarding that. But before we go ahead, for all of you, do download Entry App from Google Play Store. Now why am I saying to download that? Because right now your important point is your mock tests, your question series, and I'll tell you in the later part of the video why it is important part. तो mock test series बहुत important है currently, and वो इसका significance इस video के अंदर मैं आपको बताऊंगी. तो अभी currently Entry App पे सारे free हैं, all mock tests are free, all sectional tests are free, and in fact all everyday live quiz of current affairs is free. So do check that out because it is going to help you keep in touch with the news events. Now coming to our discussion as to what all is going to be there, what all things are there which need to be addressed right now in terms of a student. Now when it comes to this situation, अभी जो situation चल रहा है इस time पे, there's a lot of confusion all around कि कितना पढ़ें, कैसे पढ़ें, क्योंकि examination dates अभी नहीं आ रहे हैं. Currently we have recently notification आया है SBI clerk का, I believe all of you are aware about that. और देखना है तो इसके लिए वीडियो भी अपडेट किया गया है एंट्री ऐप बैंकिंग ऐप चैनल पे. इज ए वीडियो ऑन बैंकिंग ऐप चैनल स्पेशली मेड फॉर ऑल दैट गाइडलाइंस एंड नोटिफिकेशन दैट हैड कम. तो उसके अंदर नोटिफिकेशन आया है, ऑल्दो वैकेंसीज आर कंपैरेटिवली लेस, 5000 अप्रोक्सीमेटली वैकेंसीज आए हैं. But there is a good hope that yes, now we might look forward to that examination, right? एक होप आया कि हाँ अभी इस एग्जामिनेशन को हम लोग देख सकते हैं, that is soon to happen. But apart from that, how long are we expected to prepare for that? Because examination date ka expected time we cannot predict. It may be in a month, in 2 months, in 3 months, we don't know yet, right? So how should we be preparing about that? This examination ka hame expectation nahi hai. Normally when notification used to come out, we were quite aware about it, right? That approximately इस time पे exam हो जाएगा, इस time पे second part शुरू हो जाएगा, इस time पे interview हो जाएगा. Right now we are not sure about that. So right now what you need to do is, since you all have been preparing for long, you all have that courses covered, basic जितना भी topics हैं आप लोगों ने already cover किया हुआ है. What you need right now is a lot of mock tests. And that's not that every day 2 to 3 mock tests. No, you have ample amount of time right now. You can even take one mock in a day or one mock in 2 days and do a proper analysis. That is also going to be sufficient to keep in touch. Right? So to keep in touch with all the questions that are going on, all the latest patterns of examination that can be there, you can give everyday mocks, everyday sectional tests, or even once in 2 days would be sufficient for that. That is going to help. Keeping in touch with current affairs is a very very important point, because right now whenever the examination happens, जब भी examination होगा, the current affairs you all are aware of कि पिछले from the last 4 months or 5 months we expect current affairs to come forward, right? So we have to be prepared in that point, and then since you've been preparing for so long, you'll be looking out forward for interview as well. And for interview we suggest that at least 6-7 months you need to be updated in quite a detailed point, right? So keep those current affairs in your loop, in touch, keep updating yourself regarding current affairs. It's hardly everyday video is updated, hardly 15-minute video, which will help you keep in touch with that also. And a further reading if you want, that also will be done in hardly an hour, right? So do that. Keep in touch with current affairs, keep giving mocks and test series and sectional tests, keep analyzing all of those marks or scores that you are gaining. They will help you. But apart from all of these study circle, you also need to move outside that circle, because right now there's a lot of negativity going on regarding a mental health toll. Why? Because there are some students who might have been tested positive, or someone from the family member being tested positive, because the situation is currently worsening every day. So how do we handle that stress that is coming forward? Now, if you have been tested positive, you need to take care of yourself first, because health is prior in all terms. So you need to take a break of 6 to 7 days. It won't do much harm. You can keep in touch in your everyday updates, reading newspapers and stuff. But apart from that, don't stress yourself out, because the stress reduces the immunity power. I believe you are aware about that. So many videos are going all around. So I believe you are aware that stress reduces the immunity power. So take a rest for that duration. Take a break. You can do hobby reading, or heavy listening to music, or painting, or art, or whatever that feels good to you, right? And keep that for a longer run, because right now you need to fight both physical health and mental health. So it would be better if you have, or you keep a hobby, or you engage yourself in other activities along with your preparation that is going on, because that will help you boost your self-confidence in a lot of prospects, and will help you keep yourself entertained. It will help you engaged. It will help your mind be engaged in a positive term, right? So do keep in touch on all of those prospects. And in case you need any help regarding any point, you're feeling low, or you need a bit of help in how to do, or how to handle a certain situation, you can always reach to us via commenting on the video below on this video, or you can connect to us via Entry app as well, right? We have a forum over there for discussion. You can join that, and as well as you can have a lot of discussion groups joined, so that in case you find anywhere that you require help, do seek that. Don't be ashamed of finding that out. And in case of any doubts, in case of any queries, in case of any help, you can refer to you can ask for that in the comment section of the videos. They're perfectly we are open to all of them, right? And we do see all of them. So do check that, do have that, and take care of yourself, take care of your health. Stay at homes, that is a better option as of now. So stay at homes, stay safe, and keep your preparation going. We'll see you in the next video with more things to discuss around. Until then, goodbye, take care, have a great day ahead, and take care.